If you're choosing between SolidWorks, Catia, and Creo, this isn't just about features. It's about what level of engineering you're working at. These tools are built for very different use cases. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. SolidWorks is the most user-friendly of the three. It's widely used for product design, mechanical parts, and small to mid-size assemblies. The interface is intuitive, there are tons of tutorials available, and it's great for students, startups, and engineers who want to design quickly without a steep learning curve. The downside is scalability. It can struggle with extremely large or complex assemblies compared to higher-end tools. Catia is the most powerful and advanced option. It's used in industries like aerospace and automotive, where you're dealing with extremely complex systems and surfaces. It offers advanced surface modeling, system engineering tools, and handles massive assemblies with ease. The trade-off is complexity. It has a steep learning curve and is significantly more expensive, making it overkill for most users. Creo sits in the middle. It's very strong in parametric modeling, simulation, and large-scale product development. It's more powerful and scalable than SolidWorks, but easier to approach than Catia. It's commonly used in enterprise environments where performance and precision matter, but without the full complexity of Catia. The downside is that it's less beginner-friendly than SolidWorks and not as advanced as Catia in high-end applications. So the real difference is this. SolidWorks is for ease of use, Creo is for engineering power, and Catia is for maximum complexity. Choose SolidWorks if you want the easiest learning curve and fast product design. Choose Creo if you need strong performance for complex engineering and simulations. Choose Catia if you're working on large-scale, high-end industrial, or aerospace projects. Bottom line, SolidWorks is best for most users. Creo is best for advanced engineering, and Catia is best for high-end enterprise design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.